You asked why 7 times today. Before breakfast, before that email, before saying yes. Why do I feel this way? Why did they say that? Why does this keep happening? You think you're being smart, but each why is one more reason not to decide. Your brain rewards why because why finds patterns, predicts threats, builds models. It feels like progress. But here's what's happening. Every why you ask pushes the decision further away because you're not gathering information. You're building escape routes. Why am I anxious? Still anxious. No decision. Why didn't it work? Still stuck. No next step. Why do I procrastinate? Still procrastinating while asking why. Here's the pattern. Why keeps you in analysis. Analysis keeps you safe. Safe means no risk. No risk means no change. Nothing moves. Replace the question. Not, why am I like this? But, what's one thing I can change? Not, why did this happen? But, what do I do now? Not, why do I feel stuck? But, what's the next move? Give yourself 90 seconds. One question, one answer, one action. Why explains the past. What next creates the future. Decisions happen when questions stop. You don't need more reasons. You need less questions. Asking why too much breaks decision making. Left, keep asking why. Right, start asking what next. Your choice. Mentops exists to restore movement. If you want the full system, check the guide in the description. This is Mentops,